Hello everyone. Today we are going to explore an essential topic in AI that goes beyond simple decision making, that is knowledge representation. Now, I know knowledge representation might sound a bit abstract, but it's actually a fundamental aspect of how intelligent systems understand and interact with the world around them. Let's think about it for a moment. As humans, we process a vast amount of information every day. We know facts, we understand relationships between objects, we can reason about situations, and we learn from our experience. Now imagine trying to get a computer to do all of that. How do we teach a machine to know everything? Or how do we make it reason about what it knows? That's where knowledge representation comes. It's about finding ways to represent the world in a form that computer can understand and use to make decisions. To break it down, knowledge representation involves encoding facts about the world in a language that an AI system can interpret. But it's not just about storing raw data. It also includes the relationship between different pieces of information and the rules for reasoning about the information. Think of it like building a map where you are not only need to know the location but also how they are connected, the rules for traveling from one place to another, even how to adapt if the map changes. Now, one of the key methods used in knowledge representation is first order logic. Gives us a structured way to express facts, relationships, and rules. For example, if we want to represent the fact that all humans are mortal, we can do so using logical statements that a computer can manipulate. First order logic helps us to go beyond simple true or false facts that represent more complex relationships and hierarchies. But here's a challenge. Not all knowledge can be represented in the same way. Some knowledge is declarative, like facts you might find in an encyclopedia, while all other knowledge is procedural, meaning it involves knowing how to do something, like riding a bike or solving a math problem. So, depending on the kind of knowledge, we need different approaches. This leads to semantic networks, where we represent knowledge as a graph of connected nodes. Think of it as a web where each node represents a concept and all the links between nodes represent the relationship between those concepts. For example, we could have a node for the cat connected to a node for animal representing the idea that a cat is a type of animal. This kind of structure helps us computers to reason about different entities and their relationships. Another popular approach is frames, which are the data structure for dividing knowledge into substructures representing stereotyped situation. Frames providing a way to structure information in layers, much like filling in the slots for location, participants, activities, and so on, with a default values that present common expectation. But representing knowledge isn't enough. We also need to make use of it through reasoning. We apply rules and logic to infer new information from the knowledge we have. There is where systems like rule-based systems and production systems come into play. These systems operate by using a set of AI, then the rule that tell the AI that what action to do based on the current state of knowledge. Of course, there are some challenges in knowledge representation. One of significant issue is the frame problem, which is the difficulty of updating beliefs when the world changes. Imagine a robot knowing the layout of the room. If a chair is moved, the robot needs to update its understanding of the room state. Dealing with these dynamic changes while maintaining accurate knowledge is a complex task. In conclusion, knowledge representation is a cornerstone. I might say that cornerstone of building intelligent systems because it bridges the gap, raw data, and meaningful action. Whether we are using logical methods like first order logic, graphical methods like frames, decision trees, the goal is the same, to enable AI to reason and make informed decisions. By mastering these techniques, we open the door to creating systems that can understand, learn, and adapt just like us. Thank you for your attention. I hope this overview helped you appreciate the importance of knowledge representation in AI. Thank you.